For loop, na? So many applications I have done today on for loop. Today morning only I have done those things. And whenever I got output, I send you in order to design the program. Okay, fine. See, this is the first program which I have done. The output shape is something like this, stars. Okay, how to display that? How to display that? See, simple, very simple. For inside, for, basically. For inside, for loop, you see how many are there? 0 to 4 means 5 times iteration will be happening. Outer loop, inner loop also 5 times it is going to iterate, means repeat. Now, if I is equal to j, inside a matrix, when I is becoming equal to j, tell me, diagonal. Diagonally, I is equal to j, yes or no? 0 by 0, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. And only at that particular instant only, I value is equal to j. That I utilize it here in the program. See, for inside for is nothing great. You can do this job. These two steps you can do. What is there? Now, if I is equal to j, only in those particular specific cases, what should be happening here? You can see printf. What is there inside printf? Tell me. Star. Asterisk. Asterisk symbol should be displayed. Otherwise, nothing. Nothing. Tab space means nothing. Otherwise, I can give empty. Let us not give anything here and see. I am not giving anything. Okay. I am not given anything. And let us check what is happening. Like that it will be displayed because it has to move now every time. Here itself, if I give else I have to give tab space. That's why. Because you have to
where
go.
I is not equal
exactly.
to
Exactly. Something happening with this. Actually, insert. Mine is wireless keyboard. Insert option is not there in this. A very small little keyboard. Actually, that's what I'm looking for. Okay. Okay. Oh, double quote. Yeah. And semicolon. Okay, fine. Now you can see it's blinking, unfortunately. That is the get out of this. Why it is happening? Let's see. Insert, there may be some command for that. No. Okay, leave it. Okay, fine. Understood that. Whenever I is becoming equal to j, then only asterisk symbols are displayed. Otherwise, it is moving further. Tab space. And how you got to next line? See, first iteration, what is happening? I is 0, j is 0. True or not? True, na?
J will become
0 is equal to 0. First time 0 is equal to 0. You displayed asterisk. Then j will become 1, na? J will become 1. So it is false. So it takes else path. In the else path, the tab space is there. Yes, you got tab space. Next time also tab space, like that. So once all the j values are iterated, then you should come outside of inner loop. New line. Yes, exactly. Again, I will increment. That's how you have to read this program. That's how you have to think about this one. Next one. Let us go with the next one. That is for PR2. Where is 2? Here it is. Here. This is the next program. See here. Let us check the output first. Insert command is not there. Is no. Control Z will not work again. This is a problem. Where that else? It has to come somewhere else. Today morning when I am typing, something happened. This one only. Mine is wireless and the wired one is not working. Wait. I have to place it here now after this. It is unable to. It is blinking. From where it is blinking? What is happening? No, it is not happening like that. Undo. Undo is also. After this, hit enter key. It is going like this. That is just a minute. I will again open this. Just a minute.
Okay.
No, no. Let me open this again and check. You can see. Now you can see.
No.
No.
Now I can see.
Now it is loaded. Yeah, it is loaded now. So in this program, what is happening? What is happening?
Numbers will be printed, sir, diagonally.
If I is equal to j, yeah.
0.
Yeah. If I is equal to j,
1, 2.
what is happening? So whenever I is
0
equal to j, I value will be printed. 0 will come at the
printed
corner,
as
topmost corner. Then comes 1
as
because 1 is equal to
2.
1. Next time 2,
Yes, sir.
like that, like that. Yes, exactly. See, that's it. If somebody asks you to display like that, that is the program. You understood? I think remaining
Okay.
same. Remaining
Yes,
same.
sir.
Okay, fine. Open. TR3. Yes, this one. See this one. This one. How about this one?
Same.
There will be some command for this also. Even keyboard is not there. Maybe I will try with function keys. Function key. Shift. Okay, it is not there. Okay, I will check later on. Okay. If I is equal to j, what is happening here? If I is equal to j, then I cannot hit enter
I
key
will
also.
be printed.
Okay. If I is equal to j, what will happen?
I
I
will be
value is
printed.
printed. Same program.
Same.
Same one. No, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait.
No, sir. J equal to
Ah,
1.
last time I printed J, I think. No, not like that. Wait, wait. One, two, three,
No,
four.
sir.
Start. J is equal
That
to 1 internally. Yeah, you can see.
yes, sir.
See, that is why 0 is eliminated.
Yes.
So when I and J are equal, tell me from 1 onwards. From 1
1.
only. One, two,
I
three,
equal
four.
to 1.
4. 4 outputs should be there.
Yes.
4. Exactly 4. Yes, 1 to 4. Right. Understood?
Yes.
Very simple. That's why I have given a very little assignment only. That one very simple one.
Oh,
For mouse stop again. Yeah, that's went wrong again. Wait, just a minute. No, that is over. Next, for next one. Next one. Where is that? Next one is fourth. Fourth. Yes, this one. Yeah.
yes.
See this one. See this one. You tell the output for this without seeing the one which I have sent to you. That is
1 minute.
j percentage to even number. Whenever you see the shape, you
Okay.
should be able to talk about that. So see the
Okay.
condition here, j. So whenever, I mean, it is running from 0 to 4, but whenever it is divided by 2, if you are able to get remainder 0, then only the element j should be displayed. So 0 is
Okay.
displayed, fine. 2 is displayed, fine. Isn't it? One
Yes,
cannot be
sir.
displayed,
Even
three cannot be
numbers.
displayed. Even numbers, all the even
Yes,
numbers can
sir.
be displayed in that order only. Same,
Yes.
like this. See, because what I have done, see,
Okay.
uh, all j values are required to be printed. All j values. All j values in the sense, all j values
The
means
all
j is starting from 0.
J
0 chance is there, 2 chance
dot
is there, 4 chance is there.
4.
That's it. 0 to
That's
4. But it is
yes.
repeated now. How many times it is repeating? Because I is equal to 0 one
But
time, I is equal to 2 second time, I
five
is equal
times
to
it will
3.
repeat.
Yeah, that's why. 4, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times. Yes, but 3 rows because even numbers na. That's why that is the
Yes.
concept. Yeah. Next one. Next one for TR5. TR5. See this one. See this one. So what is that? For I equals 0, so and so, okay, fine, fine. I value, displaying I value, I percentage 2. The other side it will be displayed.
Okay, sir.
In previous one, column
In
wise, 3 columns, and in
yes,
how many
three
rows are
rows
there?
and 5 columns.
No. This time 3 rows and 5 columns. 3 rows and
No,
five
no,
columns.
this
Exactly. This time 3 rows, 5 columns. Yeah.
five rows.
Previous one, na, that is rows 3 only
Yes,
here. Here 3 rows. See, 1, 2, 3, 5 columns. Previous one reverse. This is the reverse program for
oh,
previous one. Previous one you got how many rows you got? 5 rows you got. Only 3 columns. Because J is true, then J value is considered. Now which value is considered? I. I means
I
row or not? Rows will be less or
yes,
not? Tell me. Rows are less or
yes, sir.
columns are less? I means row or column? Tell me. Simple logic.
Row.
I means row. So you are dividing row by 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Means among the available numbers, only even numbers will be considered. Is it not?
3 rows.
That's why you understood now. 3 rows and 5 columns. That's it. Remaining same code only. Nothing great. Next one. Next one. Sixth one. Yeah, this one. You try this one. So what is happening here? Whenever I is less than 0, sorry, j. So when I is less than j, tell me. If you draw a matrix, you write a
Uh,
matrix and tell
Lower
me.
triangle.
Exactly. Lower triangular matrix you are getting. And all the
Yes, sir.
I representations will be coming. Means I is running from 0 now. So whatever are there in the
Yes,
lower triangle, they will be displayed. No, 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 not lower triangle, upper triangle. I is less than j now. I is less than j, I
uh,
value. Means what? I is less than j. You just draw first 0, 0, 0, 1, 0,
0,
1.
0.
I is less than means upper na. Upper only. J will
Yes,
increase. I will become less. So upper triangular matrix will be displayed. I is
yes.
less than j. In the upper portion, I is less than j. In the lower portion, I will be dominating
Opposite.
J. In
Yes.
the lower bottom, I mean in the lower portion, after diagonal, at diagonal both are equal. Have a closed look. That's why in the beginning itself during arrays I told that a table is there na, for our remembrance. That is very, very, very important. All programs are having their heart in that table only, where you are getting diagonal. When diagonal 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, like
Two,
that.
two.
So the diagonal can be divided into upper triangular, lower triangular. So in upper triangle, if you want to display only upper triangular elements, in upper zone, j is always greater than I. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, first, for example, first is 0 by 0. Next one in the row, what is that? 0 by 1. 1
0
means,
by 1.
j. 0 means I. Which
Yes,
is
sir.
greater? Which is greater? J is greater or not?
J is greater than.
That's why you
Yes,
are
sir.
getting upper triangular matrix. Remaining same code only. Okay? Shall I leave this?
Yes. Yes.
Next one. Seventh one. Yes. See this. This time reverse, lower triangular. This time
Lower triangle.
is greater
Yes.
means it is all happening down the diagonal. Elements present below the diagonal. Yes, perfect. Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Now, next one. This is what I have done. I have given to you actually. Next, what is the number? 8. What about this one? Star. You are displaying only stars, not I value or J value. Only stars in the
Upper.
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 Exactly. That's it. If somebody asks you a question like this is the program to write for that. Very simple
Okay.
logic, very simple. That if you reverse that, you will get lower. What is that?
Lower.
Yes, exactly. See this? I is greater than Z. Lower. Lower na? Yes, that's it.
Yes.
Stars are complete. Next, 10th one. 10th one. Yeah, 10th. Now, what about this program? Try to understand this. What about this? I is less than other
Upper
symbols
triangle.
are stars and
Upper.
dollars. Remaining all are dollars. You are
Yes.
going to get I is less than J means upper. Upper you are getting stars.
Upper
Lower you are getting
stars.
at symbol. At symbol you are getting.
Yes, sir.
At the rate of or at whatever you call. Okay. Next one. Next one. Reverse I might have done. That's it. Whenever I have done one program, I reverse it that also. And yes, reverse. I is greater than 0. Stars will come down. At the rate of symbol will come up. That's it.
Yes.
Nothing great. Next. 12th one. 12th is not there, I think. 12th is not there. It seems. No. 15th one is there after that. 15th. Let us go. 15th. Numbering, wrong numbering I have given. I think. 15th one. See this one? Little trick in that. Sum of diagonal elements. What are the diagonal elements? Whatever matrix you take, you have not taken any matrix here. Simply elements, whatever you preferred here, diagonal elements. So what are the diagonal elements here?
0.
Is 0, j is 0.
J is 0.
Whenever I is equal to j, when they are equal, tell me. At 0 instance,
At
1 instance,
diagonal.
2 instance, 3 instance, 4 instance. Means 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. What is the output?
Yes.
10. 4
11.
plus 3 plus
Yes,
2
sir.
plus 1. 10, na?
10. 10.
Exactly. 10. That's it. That's it. Got it? Simple.
Yes.
Same formula. If I is equal to j, same old formula I have given here. Yes. Next one. Morning when I'm copying and pasting, something went wrong with this. 16th one. This is also a good application. See, try to understand. Now I have taken elements from keyboard. Keyboard or not?
Yes.
See, I, J, okay, I have taken for the sake of for loop, sum equals 0, you know that. One array I have declared or initialized? Declared. One array is declared. Then what is happening? I equals 0, true, you got inside. J is equal to 0, true, you got inside. Enter the element, it will ask you. Your monitor is
Yes.
going to ask you, your screen is going to ask you. So on the screen it will be displayed. So you are typing some
All
element. If you type some element, it will reach the address of AR of 0 by
0 by 0.
next 0 by 1, next 0 by 2,
Yes, sir.
next 1 by 0,
0.
1 by 2.
Yes,
Because
sir.
3 by 3 matrix I have taken now.
Yes, sir.
3 by 3, yeah. So 9 elements you are going to enter. After that, same for loop. Now what is happening? Same this. All the elements are added or not? All the
Yes, sir.
elements. First AR of 0 by 0 will be added to 0. Sum is 0 na initially. So you will get, for example, if I type 1, see, I will show you the output. Enter the element. I am typing easy elements. I am typing to understand, to make you understand. Now see, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. How much? 45.
What?
Yes. Got it? 10 means 55 you will get, obviously. 9 means 45. Sum of all natural numbers from 1 to 10, something like that. Or in the matrix notation, if I give like this. For sum of first
Yes.
9 natural numbers also, same program you can go with that. Okay? That's it. Understood this one? Finally, I
Yes, sir.
displayed. Please check. Finally, I displayed. You should be careful when designing braces. Okay? Right.
Yes.
Next,
End brace, sir.
yeah, next one. 17th, last one, last application. Now in this, what is the logic? Tell me. Here up to here,
Next
same previous
will.
program only, but here
Yes.
you are accepting from keyboard. Okay, done. That is over. And now this for loop consists of displaying all those
Oh,
elements. Afterwards, this is displaying now. All the
yes,
elements
sir.
are displayed. After that, what is happening?
If
Whenever
when
the element is even,
even
then
numbers they will be
add
added.
all the even numbers. Add all the even numbers.
Yes, sir.
See, if you add, what will happen? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Now add all the even numbers and tell me 2 plus 4, 6,
Yes,
6 plus 6, 12 plus 8,
12.
20. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Got it? That's it. So in that way, you can utilize for loops and arrays together. Together you can utilize like that. Okay.
Yes.
Shall I go with the call by value and call by reference now?
Okay.
Okay, fine. I will type one application. Try to understand. If I paste, it is happening or what? I don't know why it is happening like this. Morning it went correctly. Edit, cut. Now it came fine. I'm looking for this, but it is blinking. Insert symbol will be there. Normally, keyboards will be having insert, but in this, insert is not there, unfortunately. That is the main problem. Insert is not there. Okay, fine, no problem. It should not blink, I think, no? It should stand still like that. Okay, no problem. I will type the program. See, there are three types of communication. In engineering also it will come. Generally in JNTU Hyderabad, uh, once
Okay.
when I taught C language, it is there. Even now it is there, but names will be different. All names I will tell you. One is call by
Okay.
value, call by reference. Any university, any engineering college, it will be taught. But in JNTU Hyderabad, in syllabus copy, what they have written in those days is types of communication in C language. Communication is of
Okay.
three types. Three types. One is downward communication, other one is upward communication, and the other one is bidirectional communication. Okay. And before that, you should know something about functions. Let me get back to Notepad and explain you about functions. Wait. Let me open Notepad. You can see that. Can you see Notepad?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now in this, see, three types of communication is there. One is downward communication, downward communication. Next one is upward communication.
Upward come.
Yeah, exactly. Upward communication. And the third one is bidirectional communication. Bidirectional. Bidirectional communication is the other one. Okay. These are the three types of communication possible. Okay. And then before going into that area, you should know what is a function. You should know about something about function. What is a function? Function will do task. It will do a task. It will do a task. Task means what? Work. And I told earlier, what type of programming language is C? C is a procedure oriented programming language. Procedure oriented programming language. Procedure oriented programming language.
Program.
Yes. So procedure is nothing other than you are dealing in terms of functions every time. Is it not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Great. Yes, fine. Now, so we should know about functions. Functions, in functions concept, three things are important. Three things are important. What are those three things? I will explain. See, first one is function declaration will be there. Okay. Function declaration. Then comes function call. Function call. Function call is also important. And the third one is function definition. Function
Oh.
definition is also important. I can compare this with a small thing like see if you are going on a vehicle, okay, on a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, whatever it may be, on state highway. So if your vehicle gets repaired, are you calling mechanic or not? From mobile, are you calling or not? Hmm?
Yes.
Repair in your vehicle, immediately you are going to call to mechanic. That is just like, and if you want to make a call, that number should be registered in your mobile or not. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
You should be able to save that number earlier. Okay, without saving that number, how can you call? You cannot call. So first thing
Ew.
what you are doing is you are going to declare, I mean declare that
That.
mobile number in your mobile. Is it not?
Yes.
That mechanic's mobile number you have saved
Mm,
in your mobile. That is declaration, just
yes,
like
sir.
function declaration. Okay. So once declaration is not that much important. So function
Yes.
declaration is there. Then with the help of that, you are able to call to the mechanic or not. For
Yes.
example, you saved my number. Are you able to call to me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then automatically I will come and define that or not. I am explaining this class because I sent you message and you responded saying okay and you got inside. Then I
Yes,
am
sir.
explaining. See, whenever you call a mechanic for repairing, he will be coming to your spot and doing all the work or not.
Yes, sir.
That is definition. That is definition. So among these three things, two things are very, very important. They are function call and function definition.
Definition.
Function, because function will do work, and functions can be of two types: predefined functions, user defined functions. Okay, till now we have come across so many
Uh,
functions.
Predefined.
Yeah, what are they? Predefined functions like printf, scanf,
Printf,
clrscr,
scanf.
getch.
Yes.
Okay, and in the coming days you are going to see sqrt, square root of a function, pow, pow,
Yes.
and so many are there. Get che also is there. Okay, like that. And in files,
Yes.
if you go to files, so many file close, f close is there, huh? F open is there, so
Oh,
many things are there, or close is there in c++ or c, whatever it is, so many functions are there predefined. So whether it is, if it is predefined, just call is enough. Yes or no? Printf, you are calling or not?
yes.
Scanf, how can you say that you are calling? Because at the end semicolon is there or not? At the end of printf statement, are you
Yes.
writing semicolon?
Yes.
Means you are calling the function. Whenever you write a semicolon means you are calling the function. So all the predefined functions are called. And what about user defined functions? As a programmer, you can design your own function also. How to design? So three things you have to remember. First function declaration, then function call, and then
All
function definition.
definition.
So first of all, I will go with simple applications today. Then tomorrow I will discuss about this downward communication, upward communication, and bidirectional. Very, very important. In interviews also, wherever you go, they will ask you. Even if you put after 4 years of engineering also, even if you are putting Java in your resume, then also you will be asked with this question, referring your C language or Java.
Okay.
In Java, little adjustments will be there. But here, whatever
Yes.
it is, you should be able to know this. Otherwise, you cannot understand even in Java also. That is very important. That I will discuss tomorrow.
Yes.
But today I will discuss about functions and how to declare, how to call, and these things I will discuss. Wait, wait. Can you see screen? Again, I will share. Wait, I
No,
might have stopped that. I might have stopped. That's why. Yeah. Now, can you see screen?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me open this and let us do some applications on functions. Three things are important, I told. Let us declare a function. I will put a comment also. Let me save this program as save as fun1.c. Okay, fun1.c. You will see this. Hash include stdio.h. Same functions are present in C++ and Java and also Python also. In C
Okay.
language, we call them as functions. In C++, we call them as member function. Little difference is there in terminology.
Okay.
And in Java, we call them as methods. In Python also, we call them as methods. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. See here. So now I am writing the function. How to write a function? Functions will be of four categories. First of all, functions will be of four categories. Let me come back to Notepad and talk about that. Wait, wait. Can you see Notepad now?
Yes, sir.
Functions are of four types. First type, functions without return type, and without arguments. Functions without return
argument,
type and without arguments. First type.
without argument.
Yeah, exactly. I will give you examples also. Wait, like it will be something. I will give. Wait, don't worry. Second one, functions. Functions without without return type, without return type, but with arguments. Okay,
Yes,
without return type, but with arguments. Yes,
argument,
arguments. Yes, right. Next, third type. What is the third type? Functions. See, four combinations are possible now. Whatever I have written there at the top with return type. First time with return type. Okay, return type, but
and
without
without
without arguments. That combination is also
uh,
possible. Without arguments. Last type. Fourth type. Functions with return type, with return type, and also with
with argument.
arguments and with arguments. The four important types which you have to remember. Understood? Functions without return type and without
Without
arguments, functions without return type but with arguments, functions
with
with return type but without arguments, functions with both return type as well as arguments. So first one, for all these things, there are three important things I told earlier now: function declaration, function call, function definition.
definition.
So first I will go with this type. Okay, functions without return type and
Without
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 arguments. I will go see how to do that. This program is about what? I will make a comment also. Wait, I will make one comment. This program is about functions
without
without return type,
arguments and
without
return type
return type, without return type,
and
and
argument
without
without argument.
arguments or parameters also. You can write. Don't worry. Parameter argument. What is the difference? I will explain. Parameter argument. Slight difference is there. I will explain. Don't worry. Now, how to declare a function? See, I am putting a comment. Function declaration. Function declaration. How to write a function declaration? We will see. Function declaration. How to write? I want to go with a function name. See the heading with return type or without return type? Without return type means
Without
void.
return types.
Means
Void.
void.
Yes, sir.
I want to go with the function name as add. Add. Add is my function name. Okay, fine. And any arguments or any parameters are there? No.
No,
That's it. That's it. Function is declare. That's all. That is a way to declare a function. So I compare it.
okay.
Na? Function declaration is just something like saving somebody's mobile number. That's all. Saving, only saving in
Yes,
your mobile. In your mobile, you are saving somebody's mobile number. That's all.
yes.
So that you can see that and call next time. Now I will go with main function. Main is a predefined function. And program execution starts from the opening brace of, and every program in C language consists of at least one function. It is also one interview question. What is that? Every C program consists of at
Main
least one. Yeah, exactly. Main function. Without main function, you cannot write a program. Okay, fine. Now inside main, what I want to do is I want to call a function. Before that, let me write CLR, SCR, clear the screen. Then I want to make a call. How do you call a function? See, Function declaration is over. Now function calling. Function calling. How do you write a calling function? Let us see. Function calling. This is about function calling. Fine. So how do you call? Just to write the function name. What is the function name?
Add.
Add. Just to call like this. That's all. Done. Over. Function is called. You should not write void or return type. Nothing. Just to write function name. Just to write
Yes.
function name. Automatically
Function.
call will be transferred. So function is called. Okay, fine. Now get the ch and close the program. Over. Program is over. Now how to define function definition we will write. Function third thing, very important thing. Function definition.
Definition.
Remaining things are very simple. Calling a function is very simple. Is it not? If you want to
Yes.
call a mechanic, it is very simple, but doing that work is very difficult. Is it not?
Yes.
Doing the job is very difficult. So function definition. How to define that? See. Same. How you declared void add
Mm.
same way. But don't put semicolon first time.
Okay.
Opening brace and closing brace. In between, you write code whatever you want. What I want, see, I want to go with a couple of variables to add numbers now. Int,
Oh,
say a is equal to or x is equal to 4, comma
yes.
y is equal to 5, comma sum. Otherwise, directly binary addition also I can do. Is it not? Okay, fine. I will
Yes.
go with another variable sum. I will declare that is up to you. And x and y you can accept from keyboard also. That is also up to you. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes.
So now what I want to do is I want to find sum. How do you find sum? Sum is equal to x plus y.
X plus Y.
Very simple job. Then I want to display the output. How to display the output? Printf
That
sum of
some
sum of two numbers.
four
Sum
and
of two numbers is equal to percentile d. D
D.
na? Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Now what to write? Sum. Sum is the variable name now. Yeah.
Yes.
Done. Over. Program is over. Very simple. That's it. That's it. That is the program. Now let me save. Saved. Now let me execute. Sum of two numbers. How much? 9. Worked
In.
or not? Worked or not?
Yes.
That is how you
Yes,
have
sir.
to do this. Okay, I will send
Sir,
you a. Huh?
can't we I mean define the function after we declare it, sir,
After
before
you
main?
declare, before main also you can write. Before main also you can write. What you are saying is I can understand. You want to copy, you want to cut this portion here. No
Yes.
problem, no issue. But you should not mix the things. It should be out of main function. Is it not? So go for
Yes.
that. Say cut. And then where to write? You want to write at the top now. Here you want to write.
Yes.
No problem. No
Yes.
issue. No issue. No issue. You can write there also. See, great. It's working. Great now.
We
It's working or not?
can't we
But it.
declare and define once, sir?
Which one?
I mean,
Just a
can't we
minute.
declare and define
Which one? Declare and define. I declare it now.
only once?
I declared only once there. Void add. I declared. What more?
No,
I
sir.
declared.
Or while defining only can't we declare, sir?
While defining only. No, no, no. Declaration should be out of main function. I declared earlier.
Okay.
Declaration should be there in this program, but I have done that already. You can see
Okay.
declaration there at the top. Yeah, declaration is there now. Declaration, what you are asking? Declaration inside
In
definition?
without. Yes, sir.
No, no, no. Declaration should be away from that.
I mean, first we should declare any function and then
Hmm.
we should define
Hmm. Hmm.
separately.
Hmm. First declare.
Okay.
Without registering mobile number, can you call to others? No.
No,
First
sir.
declare. First declare means first register that number. First save that number in your mobile. Then make a call. Then define. But wherever you write definition, what is the gateway? What is the entrance to this program? Tell me. Add or main?
Main. Main.
So wherever you write main function, that will be considered as the gateway to execute. So it
Yes.
will be starting from main function only. So control
Okay.
will be wherever you write other things doesn't matter, but main function always compiler will look for main function. It will start from here and then clear the screen. Then comments are ignored. Then you are calling the function now. Control transfers to function definition. Inside function definition, whatever code is there, that will be run, that will be executed. Got it? That's how it is executed.
Yes.
But I want to write this down the call. Generally, that is good procedure. Okay, I will do as it is. Cut and paste it here. That is good process. Oh, I cut that also, no? Sorry. Declaration also I cut. Cut. Yeah. This is good procedure. Sorry. Morning also I have done like that. It is coming like that. Yeah. Fine. Over now. Got it? Saving this. Now see. Yes, done. Sum of two numbers equals 9. Like that, how many functions you
Okay.
can declare? Any number of functions. See, one more I want to declare. See what I am doing? Void subtract. Void subtract. Okay. And then declaration is over. Right? I have to call now. So after add, I am calling subtract. Yeah, like this. Subtract is called. Then I have to define that now.
If
So how to
so,
define that? How to define that? I can copy and paste
again,
this code again. I can copy and paste now. Wait.
yes.
Copy this and then paste it down here. Here I will paste it. Paste it, but little changes. What are they? The function name is
Subtract.
subtract. And here the symbol which you have to use is minus. And here you have
Minus.
to write diff. Or okay, fine. Diff I am writing difference. Here also I go with the
Different.
variables xy, no problem. That is
Yes.
different. This is different. No issue with that. Done. Saving the program and executing. Got it? Sum of what?
Yes.
Inside brackets, whatever I have written, it is considered now. So first, which is called addition or subtraction.
Addition.
So after that, I am putting slash n. Okay. Now see here, it is subtraction na difference.
Yes.
Difference of two numbers. Difference between two numbers. Difference between is correct word. Difference between two numbers equals so and so. Save. Now see, it looks good now.
Yes.
Sum of two numbers 9, 4 plus 5 and 4 minus 5 is minus 1 over. Like this, any number of functions you can declare, call and define. See the order of call. First, which one you are calling? Add. That's why add is executed. Then which one you are calling? Subtract. So then
Subtract.
subtract code will be. See, whenever you are calling a function, I will write here one comment you can understand. Sorry, whenever we call very important, whenever we call a function, control will be transferred, transferred to what? Transferred to the function definition. Function, whenever we call a function, control will be transferred to the function what? Definition. Exactly. Function definition. So whenever you call a function, control will be transferred to the function definition. So
Definition.
whenever you call add, control transfers to function definition. Inside whatever code is written, whichever code is written, that
It
will be
execute.
executed. Yes, that's it.
Yes.
That's it. Very simple. Okay, done. This is done. So you understood the first type. Let me move to the second type. So what is the second type? I will copy this and
Without
I'll Just a
with
minute, I will
return
copy the
type and
entire
without
program.
or
I will change. I will be having little modifications from this. Wait, file, new, and let me paste this. Paste it. Done. Let me save this. Save as fun2 dots fun2 dot c. Okay, fine. Now functions without return type but with arguments. Okay, got it.
yes,
Fine. And one more small doubt. If you don't write declarations, will it be executed? See here. See what I'm doing. See comments. Huh?
yes.
Errors. How many errors are there? Study that.
Oh,
Type mismatch in redeclaration of add. It is not working. So declaration is mandatory. Is it not? Declaration is mandatory.
man.
Hmm. Okay, fine. So I have to declare no other go. Right. So next program is functions without return type and with arguments, but not and but with arguments. How to write? How to write? Some arguments means some parameters are there. Int a comma int b. Okay. Here also parameterized I am taking.
Yes,
Int a comma same names also you can use. No issue. No issue. During scope, during stories classes I will explain scope and scope and lifetime of variables I will explain. Same variables you can do, don't worry. Now see the changes which I am making here. I am passing some arguments. See what are they? 4 comma 5 same arguments I passed. Okay. And here also, here I am giving 6 comma 9 or 9 comma 6. Okay, 9 comma 6 I am passing. Okay.
yes,
Ah. So whenever we call a function, control will be transferred to the function definition. Not only that, in this program, what is happening? 9 and 6 are called as arguments. I will write here. 4 and 5 are the arguments. Na? Here, 4 and 5 are the arguments.
argument.
Yeah. The function will be transferred to the function definition and
9 and
the arguments. What are the arguments in the add call?
4
In the
and
add
5.
call. So while calling, they are known as arguments. Remember that. But when
Okay,
defining, they are called as parameters. When declaring, they are called as parameters. When defining also, they are called as parameters. But when calling, they are known as arguments. That
argument.
is important. The function definition. See, in interview, if you are answering, even majority engineering students doesn't know the main difference between arguments and parameters. What is the main difference? So whenever you are calling a function, they are called as arguments,
Argument.
and yeah, whenever
When
you are defining them, they are
declaration
called
or
as definition. They are called as
parameters.
parameters. Yes.
Yes.
The function definition and the arguments. What are the arguments here? 4 and 5, na?
4 and 5, yes, sir.
Okay. 4 and 5 are pass it to pass it to pass it to where? Function
The
declaration or pass it to function definition. Sorry. Pass
definition.
it to, yeah, exactly. Function definition or pass it to function definition. Just a minute, I will cut it here. Yes. You can understand?
Yes.
Study whenever we call a function, control will be transferred to the function definition and the arguments 4 and 5 are passed to function definition. Yes, function definition passed. And here, what are the arguments here? Here, what are the arguments? Why I'm commenting? Because it can be,
9 and 6.
it can serve as notes to you. That's why I'm going to
Okay.
send these things to you. Here, 9 and 6,
9 and
9
6 are the
and
arguments.
6 are called as arguments. Called as arguments. That's it. Fine. Okay. Now, how to change the code? Not only 4 and 5, we can accept through keyboard also. We will do in the next time. Huh? Here, after this, How to give
Yes.
through keyboard? Yes, you can take int a
Printf
comma.
and scanf we can
You can write. You
uh,
can take variables na
in
int x. Yeah, int x.
definition type.
Otherwise, you can initialize also. Int x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Pass x and y.
Okay.
X and y also you can pass. Okay, like that also we can do.
Okay.
Understood that? Yeah. Now how to
Yes.
define? How to define? So first add definition. Int x comma same variable also you can write. How you declared same thing you can write here also. Otherwise you change variable names, no problem. You try both will come. Okay,
Okay.
both are okay. So what is passed into x, I will write here. See, so during call you sent 4 na. 4 is argument 4 is passed into, wait, sorry, here it is. Argument 4 is there na. 4 is
Yes.
passed into
Passed in
parameter.
X.
That is parameter x. Argument 4 is passed into parameter x. See why I am writing argument, where I am writing parameter, you see. Where I am writing argument, where I am writing parameter. Why I am writing
Yes.
argument and why I am writing parameter.
Call.
These are the questions.
Call.
Yeah, very important. Technology is very important. If you are attending for a top class interviews, technology matters a lot. If you are not good in that,
Okay.
the others will be having edge over you. Argument 4 is passed into parameter x. And what about y? And
Yes.
yes.
Argument
And
5 is passed.
argument 5
5
is 5
is
is wait. Yes. Argument 5 is passed. Passed or
passed.
pushed. Any word you can use. Passed means pushed. That is also correct word. Pushed. Passed into, pushed into what? Here also I can use same word. These are the two words which generally we use when discussing about
Parameter.
this. Yes. Passed into parameter. Yeah, exactly. Parameter. What is the parameter? Y.
Y.
Y. Okay, fine. That's it. Done. Now same story here also. Let me copy paste. Just arguments are different. Is it not? Next time. Copy here, paste. Let me paste it here. Paste. Argument which is passed here. The other arguments are 9 and 6 na.
9 and 6.
Argument 9 is passed. Argument 9 is passed
9.
into parameter x. And I will give x and y. Wait, don't worry. And what is the other one? 9 and 6 are.
6. 6.
Here you give same int x comma
X.
int y. Got it? Now
Okay.
this is not required now. Already arguments are sent. Why the hell we need these things? They are not required. Is it not?
Yes.
Just so here you called the function. Okay, fine. Great. Then is it having any return type? There is no return type. So
No
same
read.
story. So don't worry about that. So sum is equal to x plus y. Okay, fine, and you are displaying that. Okay, that's it. Here also void subtract. Yeah, no other changes in the code. But here x and y are not required now. They are sending from outside. They are sent from
Yes.
outside. That's why it is not required. Yes, that's it. That is the code. Let me save
Argument.
this. Yeah, sent na. Now let me execute this. Yes, you got it. Sum of two
Yes.
numbers 9. Difference between two numbers is 3. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Yeah, it worked fine. So how it is executed? Program execution starts from opening brace of main method. Where is main method? Such that here it is. So
Here.
internally what is happening? You are making a call and you are passing arguments 4 and 5.
5.
Control transfers to definition or not?
Yes.
Definition is here. Yeah. So 4 is pushed into X and 5 is pushed into Y.
Y.
And then what is happening? Sum is equal to X plus
Definition
Y.
sum
Sum is equal to X plus
will
Y.
be
X plus Y means how
at
much? 4 plus 5, 9. That is displayed.
9
That work will be done.
printed.
That work. So in definition portion only, little bit tight for you. I mean difficult for you. Means difficult in the sense you are putting some code there. You are putting some logic there. It is not that much easy. Calling is very easy. Declaration is very easy. But in the see, calling a mechanic is very simple. I told earlier. But repairing that is very difficult. No, there
Yes.
so many logics will be there, techniques will be there. So the techniques will be coming inside function definition. Okay, that's it. Understood this? See,
Yes, sir.
above what I am doing is, oh, wait, it is misplaced here. Yes. Wait, see here. I want to go with the see prototypes like this. This is also correct procedure. I can also go like this. Can you go like this? Let us see. It is accepting. Got it? This is called as declare function declaration or prototype. You can also call it as prototype. Proto. This word will come. Prototype means model. Prototype means model. Prototype means what? Model. Function model. That is a model declaration. See, when you go to
Not variable
when you go
only
to a mobile shop,
data type.
models will be there, na? They are not set. They are
Yes.
not used for purchase. Just in showcase, they will put that
Yes.
model, but it is not for sale. But real object is different. That you can define. You can get that. So in that way, you
Yes.
have to do it. Okay. So tomorrow I will discuss with two more. Shall I discuss on tomorrow? Hmm?
Okay.
You can practice these two things, and tomorrow I will complete those two. Then I will go with call by value, call by reference. Tomorrow we will go,
Okay.
and then so many are there. Like strings will come, and then after strings, still what are left? Functions, functions
Pointers.
itself. So many are there. Pointers are there, and then structures are there. Unions are there. Files concept is there. Files is also there, isn't it?
Structs.
Type def is there. So many other things are there. In 1 or 2 days, half of the syllabus will be over almost all.
Okay.
And maybe in 1 or 2 days, my son is also going to Hyderabad, and there will be no disturbance for you.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, and maybe after one
Today.
month, yeah, after 1 month, I'm going to take separate room, separate house also. Even my son comes, there
Okay.
will be no problem. Separate room will be there. Here, I am staying in university. Only one big room is there. That is why.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. That number is there. That I mean, phone pay. That I mean, Google Pay number is
Yes,
there
sir.
with you. Same
Today I'll
number.
do.
Same number. Same number. You can
Yes.
go to that. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I am closing the session with this. Fine.
Okay.